Hi, I'm Glenny.
Hi, I'm Will.
And this is Two Birds, One Rose.
Yeah, it's kind of like a review, react, roast of The Bachelor. We're gonna watch the show and react to it and roast them and listen to Peter cry because he's a little bitch.
So we're 4 episodes in. Can you believe it?
I can't. I can't actually, but these are some of our favorite moments from the first 4 episodes. I can't believe we're 4 epis in. I mean, that is, you already said that, but
yeah.
It's really, yep.
Enjoy.
Cheers.
Peter flies in and he's looking so freaking delicious. Like, I just want to lick him.
He looks terrible. Hit the gym, bro.
He's just
God.
hot. It's just
Oh, come on.
To new beginnings!
Come on, Glenny. He's like,
He
he doesn't have a bad body, but he doesn't have a body that they should be showing off like he's like a hot hunk with a good body.
And they're like,
Come on.
damn.
Yeah, like come on.
Washing his plane.
Well, yeah, no, like flying in on a plane, like that's a big dick move, right? Like you're flying the plane, that's cool. But
Yeah,
the shirt off. Oh Jesus, is this Saw?
Oh.
Is this Saw? Is that Jigsaw? What did you get? Peter.
Yeah, you are.
So, there's one thing I want you to know about me.
What's that?
And it's that I have a very dry sense of humor.
But it's frozen. She has Botox.
But she's very wet somewhere else.
What?
And that's about the only thing
I knew that was going to...
trying.
Oh my God.
What'd you say?
She said I have a dry sense of humor, but that's about the only thing that's very dry, dude. Yes, I love her, dude.
But who told her to say that joke? And then she couldn't even deliver
wet pussy, dude. Yes.
Hi, Peter.
Hello.
Natasha.
It is...
That's all she got. Nice to meet you. That forehead is something else.
I just had so many, high expectations.
Already crying.
I can't believe I told him I was wet. I can't believe it.
Oh, she's gonna drop it big time.
Yeah, one more time.
I'm
Yeah, you
the
almost
least
had it.
athletic girl.
Come on, McKenna.
Look at how she's trying to catch it.
Peter sees that I'm really trying here.
Chase Rice is my ex-boyfriend. Chase and I dated before I came on the show.
Are you two having a good time tonight?
He has no idea. Look at his smile, it's so big.
Weird.
It was Friday.
He's like, I wrote this one for you, baby.
Sydney takes the snap. She hands off to Sheehan.
Got it again!
There it goes. She
got it again!
So, Leah, will you accept this rose?
I thought it was Alaya. That's bullshit. That's actually kind of fucked up.
Oh my goodness.
Yeah.
Ew, Peter's kind of a dick. That was a dick move.
Yeah.
All these girls busted their ass on football all day to get time with you, and then you give it to the bitch that you sent home last week?
Yeah.
Ew. Fuck you. I really don't like him at all. That's really rude.
And that's sentimental.
It is.
It's really cute.
Oh, I'm so excited to hear it.
Hey, oh shoot.
What was that? I heard a pop. I don't know. Did they pop?
did?
Wait, did they pop it? Don't let them pop it. It's over there, isn't it?
It is.
Oh my God.
No way.
Best part of the whole show. That is easily the best part of the whole show. She's gonna have a meltdown.
She's already having a meltdown. Just by the
It's not worth
idea.
it. You don't know. It's probably not. It probably was not your champagne.
Deep breath, you're fine. Go find out.
The producers told them to go over there and drink champagne.
Absolutely. They were like, oh my, what's this? Look. Why don't you pop that
That's
champagne?
good for you.
Oh my God, look at her.
Excuse me? You guys, I don't...
No.
God.
Wait, is it? No. Wait a minute.
No.
I just love this show too.
Have been taken from me. Can you please go to the bathroom? It got taken away from me with McKenna. And it now got taken away from me. Hannah opened the bottle of champagne, but I don't think she does care. I think she knew what she was doing. She's a snake. I will have words with that girl. Please close the door. Please close the door.
If you like this video, go ahead and give it a like, comment, and subscribe, perhaps. And give us some feedback. Thank you so much.
If you guys like this video
fucking
and want to see more of it, like, comment, subscribe. Tell us what you want to see, how you want to see it, who you want to talk more, who you want to shut up. 2 birds, 1 rose.
He's not, I'm gonna go on record to say that he's not the best Bachelor I've ever seen. And he's not doing a very good job.
I mean, that
Former
is...
fucking Chris Soules did a better job.
That is really... You're being really nice.